A small garden can feel limited at first. Less space, fewer options, and not much room to grow. Yet the right plants can completely transform even the smallest corner into something lush, colorful, and full of life. Container gardening and small space planting are all about choosing plants that stay compact while still delivering beauty and function. These 10 plants are perfect for pots, patios, balconies, and small backyard gardens. Dwarf hydrangeas bring soft, rounded blooms that shift in shades of blue, pink, or white depending on the soil. Even in a compact form, they create a full and elegant look that stands out in containers. This plant is especially useful for adding a classic garden feel to small spaces, and it grows best in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 9, where it enjoys morning sun and afternoon shade. Lavender fits beautifully into containers, with its silvery foliage and calming purple blooms, adding both color and fragrance. The compact growth habit keeps it neat and manageable, while its drought tolerance makes it easy to care for. Lavender thrives in USDA zones 5 through 9, where it prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Boxwood creates structure in small gardens with its dense green leaves that can be shaped into neat forms. It works well in pots near entrances or along pathways, giving a formal and polished look. This evergreen plant grows steadily without becoming overwhelming and performs well in USDA zones 5 through 9. Petunias quickly fill containers with a cascade of bright flowers that spill over the edges. The blooms come in a wide range of colors, allowing endless combinations for seasonal displays. These fast-growing annuals thrive in USDA zones 2 through 11 and are perfect for adding instant color to patios and balconies. Herbs like basil, thyme, and parsley grow easily in small pots and provide both beauty and function. Their fresh green leaves bring life to compact spaces while offering a steady harvest for the kitchen. Most herbs grow well in USDA zones 4 through 10, especially when placed in sunny spots with regular watering. Caladium stands out with large, heart-shaped leaves patterned in shades of red, pink, green, and white. Even without flowers, the foliage creates a bold visual impact in shaded containers. This plant thrives in USDA zones 9 through 11, and in cooler areas it grows beautifully as a seasonal container plant. Cherry tomato plants bring both greenery and productivity to small spaces. The vines grow upward with support and produce clusters of small, sweet tomatoes throughout the season. These plants perform best in USDA zones 3 through 10 during the warm months and are ideal for sunny patios. Ferns add a soft, natural feel with their delicate fronds that arch outward gracefully. They thrive in shaded corners where many flowering plants struggle, making them perfect for balancing brighter container arrangements. Ferns grow well in USDA zones 4 through 9, depending on the variety. Succulents offer a modern look with their sculptural shapes and thick water-storing leaves. They require very little watering and can be arranged in creative container displays. These plants grow best in USDA zones 9 through 11 outdoors, but can thrive anywhere as indoor or patio plants. A dwarf Japanese maple brings elegance and color with finely cut leaves that shift from green to deep red, depending on the variety. Even in a container, it becomes a focal point that elevates the entire space. This slow-growing tree thrives in USDA zones 5 through 8, where it prefers partial shade and protection from strong wind. A small garden does not limit creativity. It simply invites smarter choices. With the right plants, even the smallest space can feel rich, layered, and full of life throughout the seasons.